Salam, hoş gelmişsiniz. Welcome to lesson number 2 of learning Azerbaijani. Today we're going to go over numbers, and then I'm going to teach you how to ask how much something costs at the store. So let's first start off with counting to 10. Sıfır, sıfır, bir, bir, iki, iki, üç, üç, dört, dört, beş, beş, altı, altı, yedi, yedi, sekiz, sekiz, dokuz, dokuz, on, on. So now we've learned to count to 10 and to say 11, 12, 13. It's really easy. You just have to say 10 and then the number. So for example, 14 would be 10, 4. 14, 14. To say 17, it's 10, 7. 17. So now it's the same after you learn 20, 30, 40. It's very simple. So let me just teach you those really quickly. 20. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. 100. So now you can count all the way up to 999. So congratulations. If you want to say, for example, 47, all you have to do is say 40, 40, and 7, 7, 40, 7. If you want to say 253, then it's just 200, 200, and 53 is 53. So 253. So it's very simple. You just have to learn those main numbers and then you'll be able to count. So now let me teach you how to use this in real life. For example, if you want to buy something at the store. But first I have to show you what kind of currency they use in Azerbaijan. So this right here is a manat, 1 manat. And 1 manat is equal to about €1, so a little bit more than $1. And then they also have cents as well, and they call cents gapik, and it's the same. They break it up into 100 gapiks. This is 20 gapik. They have mostly 10 gapik coins, 20 gapik, and 50 gapik coins. They have smaller ones, but they aren't used very much. And then yeah, so let's say you're in the store and you want to buy this beautiful, delicious apple grown in Guba, in northern Azerbaijan. What you would say is, this apple, how much is this apple? An apple in Azerbaijani is alma, alma. And if you want to say this apple, it's bu alma. Bu means this, bu alma. And if you want to ask how much, it's nechiadir, nechiadir. So that whole sentence together is bu alma nechiadir, bu alma nechiadir. And then they would respond probably 40 cents. So that's 40 gapik, and that would be 40 gapik, 40 gapik. So this is 20 gapiks, 40 gapik. So you would give your gapik to the salesman. You could say buyurun, like here you go, buyurun, and he'd give you your apple. And actually, if you're going to eat this apple, then and someone's seeing you eating the apple, then they would say bon appetit. They'd say nush olsun, nush olsun. So I won't eat this right now, but maybe after the video. So yeah, and then if you wanted to ask, for example, this Red Bull right here, you notice I'm very healthy with my apples and Red Bull. If you want to say, how much is this Red Bull? Bu Red Bull nechiadir. Bu Red Bull nechiadir. And the answer, I'm not exactly sure how much it costs, but I think it's around 2 manat. So 2 manat, 2 manat. 1, 2. So you could give your 2 manat to the salesman and say çok sağ olun, thank you very much. And yeah, so now you have your wonderful Red Bull and apple. And yeah, so that's it for today. Remember to leave comments below, and if there are specific topics you want me to teach you about, let me know. And as always, let me know if there's any mistakes I've made. And yeah, let's keep it going. So.